Oh my God. I'm only 10 minutes in. God, if you walk around, it hurts. They said if you put wind on it or blow a fan on it, it's supposed to intensify the effect. I think it's starting to pull my eyeball sockets. Like, I'm scared it's gonna pull my sockets so my eyes fall out. I feel like my facial features are starting to collapse into the center of my face. I feel like this might be what I look like a year after my death. They said to keep it away from your lips. Maybe I should have listened to that. This is not a facial expression I ever thought I would see myself making. Okay, 30 minutes is up. Let me try and see if I can move my face, if it will crack. Ah.